how do you know that it's psychic attack versus like law of attraction, or someone's just really having a bad life? How do you differentiate?
Well, a law of attraction that, like a retribution soulmate, is that's more of a karmic issue rather than a psychic attack. Okay, in other words, you didn't learn the lessons from someone, so the laws of karma says that, well, now we're going to give you another chance. A psychic attack is different. It's when you're getting nightmares, headaches, everything you're doing screws up and doesn't work out, everything fucks up, and you're under a lot of stress, and people in your life are turning against you. Those are psychic attack issues. That's not karma. That's a very different issue.
And do you see it in their auric field if they're like under psychic attack? Can you?
Well, I don't use my psychic senses for that. I go by their history. Again, I don't want people to be codependent on me. So I don't do readings with people. I'm asked to do that a lot. I refuse to do that because I want people to be generated to be empowered and empowered, not codependent. It's the opposite. So, but I can tell from their history whether they're psychically attacked or not. Remember, there are symptoms. I wrote a book, Protected by the Light, which goes into the idea of the various symptoms, nightmares, depression, all kinds of little things that happen that are characteristic of classic psychic attacks. Once you eliminate the medical factors, okay, there are certain medical syndromes that would exhibit certain similar character. But if the person doesn't have the medical issue and they're having these symptoms, that's a psychic attack.